Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. This is Teresa, and it's MaryMaxim Monday, take 25. Every time I have tried this video, something has happened and interrupted the flow. So I apologize if there's any errors, mistakes, or misspeaking in this video because it is, like I said, the 25th time I have a broken jaw, and I am not going to continue to do this because it hurts. It is Haigu yarn. It is 132 yards, 5 ounces. It is extremely soft, cuddly, petable, and you just want to cuddle this yarn. You just want to pet it. I think this would make a really good hunter's hat because it is fire engine pink, as we say, or blaze pink, excuse me. As we say here in New York, when they go hunting, they want the blaze pink or the blaze orange for the hunters so they could be seen across the turkey field or across the forest. This hot pink is also known as Rosa, depending on where you are in the world. It is lot number 000. It is a 5. The 5 is counting the halo. It is very soft. Those do look a little bit metallic on the screen, but however, they are not metallic. They have a little bit more of a sheen than the pink, and they are a little bit purple. This kit is available in purple and light brown. This kit is $16.99 per month. Not for this particular kit, but for the subscription of the Crochet Club. And it is $4.70 something to ship it. It comes approximately to $23.75 or something like that. It's clear underneath $23, excuse me, on my bill every month. I am not gifted this in any way. I do not affiliate with, well, I affiliate with them because I spend a lot of money with them, but I'm not reimbursed in any way by MaryMaxim. It is 70% acrylic at this time. 70% acrylic, 30% nylon. It does say you can wash and dry it, and it does say not to iron it, not to bleach it, and you can do that P thing. I have no idea. If you have an idea what that P stands for, I would appreciate if you could leave a comment down in the chat below, because I would like to know for future videos. And when you dry it, in my personal opinion, I would not dry on high. Oh, look, it says right there, dry on low, because this has nylon and the acrylic, and I believe those two combinations do not mix well with heat, just from experience. It is recommending a 6.5 millimeter hook and a 6.5 millimeter needle if you want to knit. If you want to knit this beautiful blanket here in the purple that they recommend, is 6 balls and would require a 10 millimeter needle. However, in this kit you get 3 balls, each of the same quantity of 132 yards. I had to double check. You also get the black. And what do you think this makes this month? It makes a cat. This kit is the February kit. The kits are just mailed out at the end of each month, and at the end of each month you will get the kit for that month that it is shipping out of. So, like this one is shipping out of February, thus it is a Valentine's Day heart-shaped cat. This cat is called Smitten Kitten Pillow. This pillow will be 15 inches wide by 13 inches tall. I have a feeling they're counting the height on that tail as 13 inches. I am not going to find out because, to be honest with you, I will not be making this kit. That is one thing about MaryMaxim Crochet Club. Once in a while, you will get a kit that you do not care to make. You do get a kit that you do go, do I want to make that one? Which was the cowl. And I did make that one, and I really, really enjoyed making that one. I also enjoyed last month's kit, which was the bag, the tote bag. I apologize. I did put the tote bag away, and I don't have it here to show you. I will try to get it out for next week, because we will have a lot of time on MaryMaxim Monday to talk about my tote bag, because this is not getting done. It's not that I have an offense to cats, nor do I have an offense to heart-shaped critters in any way or shape or form. I just am not have not tried yet a amigurumi heart-shaped pillow. And I do not have the fiberfill, to be quite honest. I will have to go to the store or ask one of the men that I live with if they have fiberfill. I live with Dad's Crafting Again, Dad's Crafting Again, who has his own supply of yarn and fiberfill. I don't know if he has fiberfill. Anyway, he has his own supply of yarn. He makes tote bags and notion bags and is quite busy on his own. And I also live with my son. That was my husband. I also live with my son, Creative Craftings with SC. There is a meaning with the Z in there, and one day he might share that with you, but that is his story to tell. And he makes custom bags. He also makes crocheting items. He did get this kit. This kit is available in brown, tan, purple, or the blaze orange, yellow, or pink. I said all the blaze colors. It is blaze pink. I know my colors. I am just sore. Anyway, he is not intending to do it, last I heard, either. I was going to do this in a tabby color. However, I realize I have the Sophies on my plate and a couple of other things, and I'm just honestly not going to have the time to do this cat when I don't really feel like doing the cat. As I was saying, every once in a while you will get a kit from MaryMaxim Crochet Club that you do not care to do, or you do just don't like it. And that's fine. That's part of the surprise every month. You get a surprise every month. It comes with most of the things that you will need to provide. Usually it comes with all of them. This month it came with most of the things you need to do the item. And I will just put it aside. Maybe I'll give it in a giveaway when I reach 500 people, or maybe I will just give it to somebody that I know that likes to crochet and really wants this kit. Maybe I will swap it for some kit that I do not have that I really want to do that somebody else doesn't want to do, and they want to do this cat. I don't know. Any ideas? Let me know. I also had a question for you guys, and I forgot what the question was. Like I said, this is the 27th time I've tried posting this video. I did post one early this morning, but I pulled it down as fast as I posted it up because I found it was not me. I wasn't feeling it. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. I do appreciate you coming by Yarn Again, and I wish to say tomorrow is Tuesday, and Tuesday, I don't know what my plan was on Tuesdays. I usually have something for every day. Oh, tomorrow is Cal Tuesday. I will go over the cals I'm doing, which are crochet alongs. For those who do not know what a cal is, because I didn't know what a cal was until I started doing a cal with somebody in the group, I am doing a cal with Coco's Crochet Lista, and she is doing the calendar cal in 6 months, and I will show you the progress of that tomorrow. So if you want to see that, come on by tomorrow.